Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. What do I have here? Well, I have the giveaway prizes here's for my birthday giveaway. Just as I was showing the videos, or showing what items I was giving away in the videos, those 12 videos, I just put everything into bags afterwards so they wouldn't get mixed up with anything else. I ran into Dollarama the other day, got some bags to put some of the stuff in. And I know these are Christmas, but yeah, that's okay. All right, so I'm going to be doing that today, sorting everything out. Sorry about the glare. This is a glass table. Okay, so I'm going to sort things out. Maybe remind you of what I have in this giveaway. Gorgeous. I'm going to try to block that glare. Oh, I think it worked. Okay, so I have those. I have these. Okay, these bags here. I've been running around doing stuff, so tired and hot. Mainly hot. Yeah, each winner gets a bag, so we'll just deal with those in a minute. I just want to go through the yarn. All right. So there were 3 winners. Oh, look. Each one gets a set of crochet hooks. Each one gets a chocolate bar. I should be kind of sorting those out while I go along. Right. Chocolate bars. Moose. Canadian moose keychains. And there's some notepads. We can always use notepads, right? All right, here's some more yarn. Let's see, I'm going to remove this bag. Try not to knock the phone down here. Camera. Okay. So whoever I send the yarns to, like I have, how many of these yellow ones? They'll all go to the same person. And same with the other yarns. Like I have these True Boo ones. There's how many? 4. They all go to the same person, the same winner. Like I'm not going to separate, the yarns. I'm going to give you enough that you can do something with. Okay. The other bag. Garden Boutique. 3 of those. And then I have these blue ones that are all going to, all the blue ones will go to one winner. Oh boy. Okay, more chocolate. More chocolate. So each one gets an arrow bar. And then we have these rockets. These rocket candies. Each one gets a bag of rockets. And I didn't have any pens at the time, but I got some pens now, so I'll send 1 pen to each person. These actually write in different colors, ballpoint pens. See the bottom here? Assorted ink. So I'll send 1 to each of you. Got these at Dollar Tree. A whole pack here, so. Okay. And now I'm just gonna sort things out. All right, I'm gonna start putting things in these bags. They come with twist ties too, which is really nice. They don't have a size on the package. There, I got the notepad in there. And that's just how I'm gonna sort them out, send them to you in a little bag that you could reuse if you like. Okay, crochet hooks. Keychain. chocolate. Twist it up. Whatever size they are, they're working for this stuff, so that's good. I'm glad. Isn't that cute little package? Yeah. Oop, sorry. Bumped my camera. Oh, I forgot the pens. Okay, I wanted to try them out first to make sure they work. That one works. I just grabbed them from the end, no particular order. All right, there we go. They work. I'll show you this. If you press this, here we go. If you press this in, it doesn't go back in, so you have to press on the clip. All right, all the little goodies are packed up. Okie dokie. Now I'm going to pack up the yarn. I thank you all so much for letting me know in your emails that it's okay to vacuum seal the yarn. It really will save on shipping costs. All right. That is vacuum sealed. So I found I have some smaller bags and some bigger bags. So, but anyway, so I can fit in the bigger bags, I can fit 2 across. So let's vacuum seal these together. All right, bubbly, there's a bubbly part, bubbly side of the plastic. I'll put that down into the machine here. Close it. Hit operate. I'm going to hit vacuum and it'll vacuum and seal at the same time. And I'm going to push down on the yarn to flatten it as well. All right, here we go, vacuum. And then when the light, there's a 2 green lights under vacuum and under seal, and when they're solid, it means it's done. They're solid, so now I'm gonna put the lever up to open, and done. There we go. Unfortunately, I couldn't fit 3 into this bag because I need a big space here for this to close onto. So, otherwise it doesn't close and it won't work. All right. All right, there's a little lesson if you don't know how to use them. Okay, I got some vacuum sealed. My bags are too small. I couldn't get the bigger ones in the bags, like even one in a bag. So, yeah, so some of the stuff is vacuum sealed, but most of it isn't. Yeah, I tried. All right, we're getting close. We're getting close. We have the packages all filled up with yarn and goodies. I have the market bags in the wash right now. I just want to, freshen them up for you guys. And they're cotton, so I'm going to lay them flat to dry. So it'll take a couple more days probably just to let them dry. So yeah, I'm excited for you guys to get this stuff. I'll let you know when your package is on its way. And thank you to everyone who played my birthday giveaway game. It was so much fun. You guys are amazing. And the Lord willing, we'll do it again next year. All right. Thanks, everyone. I'll see you again soon. Bye.